Hello guys! Today we will see how to prepare an HTML login page in less than 5 minutes by using the most popular CSS framework, Bootstrap. Let's start. First, create a new folder and a file called index.html inside that folder. Open the index.html file with Visual Studio Code. Then insert the HTML boilerplate code by typing the exclamation mark and hitting enter. Change the page title to anything you like. I am changing it to the login page. Then I will go to Google and search for Bootstrap. Visit the first result and go to example. A lot of examples are there, you just need to choose your desired one. I have seen a register page in the hero section earlier. Now we will integrate this page into our project. Just watch how I am doing it. Right-click on the browser and click Inspect. I will choose the container element and right-click and select Copy Element from the menu. Let's paste the element in our project. Now right-click on Visual Studio Code and click Show Preview. This is how our page is looking at this moment, but wait. This is not what we have seen in the Bootstrap page. How can we solve this? For solving this, let's go to Bootstrap page again. From the home page, look for Include via CDN and copy the CDN link and paste it inside the head section of our page. Let's check the page in a browser. This is how our page is looking now. It's good. Now I will customize it according to our need. Feel free to change and customize it according to your requirement. If it messed up, then just recopy the elements from Bootstrap. I will add another button here. I want to use this same page for registration and login. And here is the final login page. In the next video, I will show you how you can use this page into production environment with backend Node, with Express JavaScript and having data from database Postgres. That's it. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.